Hello, I built the Starscream G1 by M4 models, MU models. Here we go, here's the Starscream. The Starscream. Oh, grab. Boom, look at it. So this model is quite unique. There we go. It's sort of. There we go. He's got a smirk. He's also got two faces. He's got interchangeable parts. Got a nice gun. I'm so bad at my job. There we go. He's pointing at people with his blaster. Like I said, interchangeable parts. You could take off his hand. How does this go? And it's held by magnets, dude. So now he's punching. Oh, he's got a fist. Can also change the guy's face to be face. Oh no! It broke in so many pieces. I'm just joking. He's got a crown. It's detachable. This is his other face, by the way. We put his face on his face. That's how it works, right? It won't go in. Oh no! The magnet's too strong. Now he's got an unhappy face. Oh, the pieces that fell off. A wing. It goes. Does it go like this? Don't drop it again. Okay. Okay. Like that. It goes in like that, and then this goes in. It goes in like that, and then we're good. We're good. And then. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This comes off. Isn't that so cool? Decepticons. I'm just surprised with a metal model kit that you can do something like this with magnets and stuff. Go back in, please. I'm gonna change his hand back because I think it suits him more to be pointing at people and blaming others for their problems, or his problems, or the fact that, you know, Starscream is just amazing. I don't know. I think he's a character. Definitely. Who do you think is the best Transformer? I like Optimus Prime. I like the smirk on his face. I feel like that just suits Starscream better. Have you ever watched the cartoon or the anime? Yep. Okay, bye guys.